In this video, we will explore the ABS function in Microsoft Excel. This function is used to get the absolute value of a number. The absolute value of a number is its distance from 0, so it is always a non-negative number. The syntax of the ABS function is equal to ABS, open parenthesis, number, close parenthesis. The ABS function returns the absolute value of a number. Essentially, it converts negative numbers to positive. The ABS function always returns a non-negative result. For example, negative 25 becomes 25, 15 remains 15, and negative 3.7 becomes 3.7. The syntax for the ABS function is as follows: equals ABS, open parenthesis, number, close parenthesis. The parameter number is the numeric value or cell reference that you want to find the absolute value of. This can be a number, a formula, or a cell containing a number. Here are some examples of how to use the ABS function in an Excel worksheet. In cell A1, the formula equals ABS, open parenthesis, negative 15, close parenthesis returns 15. In cell A2, the formula equals ABS, open parenthesis, 8.5, close parenthesis returns 8.5. In cell A3, the formula equals ABS, open parenthesis, negative 42.7, close parenthesis returns 42.7. And in cell A4, the formula equals ABS, open parenthesis, 0, close parenthesis returns 0. You can also use cell references with the ABS function. Here's an example. If cell B1 contains the value negative 50, cell B2 contains the value 25, and cell B3 contains the value negative 12.8, then the formula equals ABS, open parenthesis, B1, close parenthesis would return 50. Here are the key takeaways for the ABS function. Remember that it returns the absolute or positive value of a number. It works with both numbers and cell references. It is a simple one-parameter function. And it is useful for calculating distances. Again, the function syntax is equals ABS, open parenthesis, number, close parenthesis, and it always returns a non-negative result. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.